Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V20 SE. Today I'll show you how to add different type of cards to Google Pay. So let's open Google Pay app and tap Add a card. Now, don't tap on debit or credit card because it's natural card for payment. Select between loyalty, gift card and transit. If you tap loyalty, you've got plenty of loyalty cards you can connect with your Google Pay. For example, IKEA. Scan your card or enter details manually. Second thing is gift card. Similar, you've got different types of shops popular nearby. You can also search for your shop you want to add gift card. Tap on it and add details about your card. And the last one is transit. In here you can buy transit tickets or cards. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.